In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite without Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Fortnite on any platform without the usage of cloud gaming is extremely simple. So, if you don't want to use cloud gaming from Xbox to play, all that you need to do is download the game standalone. You can find it on Xbox, and you don't have to use cloud gaming. So if you go over to the Microsoft Store, you can find it there. You can also do the exact same thing on a PlayStation console. You go to the PlayStation Store and you download it there, and the same thing for Nintendo Switch as well. If you are on PC, you will visit either Fortnite.com or store.epicgames.com. You will need to download the game through the Epic Games Store launcher. So you just visit this website, click on download at the top right corner of the screen, and then choose here. Get it on the Epic Games Store. If you are doing this on a mobile device, then do it through a web browser, and you will also find the option to download it on the website. Then once you open the Epic Games Store, it is going to look like this, or the Epic Games Launcher, and all that you have to do is look for the game, Fortnite. It is free to acquire, so you will choose the option to get the game in your library. Then you click on library at the left, and it is going to be available here, Fortnite. So once you have the game, you will have to download it into your PC and then run it. Sadly, I am updating the game at the moment, so I won't be able to show you actual gameplay. But like I said at the beginning of the video, it is simple to do, very intuitive, and it is available on all main platforms. So it is on PC through the Epic Games Store. It is going to be on PlayStation through the PlayStation Store, on Xbox natively through the Microsoft Store, and finally for mobile devices or Nintendo Switch as well. And I also want to make it clear that if you still want to use a cloud gaming service but not Xbox specific, then what you can use is Amazon Luna. This is also a cloud gaming service, and they do have Fortnite, so it is up to you which one you want to use. It is essentially the same thing as Xbox Cloud Gaming, but it is a different option. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.